If always on a display doesn't work for you on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we can open settings. Now over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to lock screen and AOD. In here we should be able to find the always on the display option. So the first thing that you can do is you can simply turn off and turn AOD back on. Even if you already have the option enabled, you want to turn it off and turn it back on. And of course if you didn't have the always on display enabled, then naturally you want to make sure that it is enabled. If that didn't help, you can tap on the option itself. And in here, we can go to when to show. And this might not be known by many people, but by default, in order to activate AOD, you actually have to tap on the screen once the display is off in order to wake it up. So if I now turn off the phone, if I put it to sleep, I have to tap on the screen to activate AOD. There we go. You can, of course, change that. And to be able to do so, first of all, we need to switch, let's say, to automatic or always. I'm going to actually choose always in this case. So if I lock the phone, then AOD should be displayed straight away. There we go. Now it works. So as you can see, this can make a difference. You want to switch to always or automatic in order to then lock the phone and see if it works. And most likely it will. Now, if you are wondering what is the difference between these two options, then in the case of automatic, the AOD can be displayed immediately as well. But if the phone detects that it is placed in a dark place, such as a pocket, purse, bag, whatever it is, then the AOD might not activate itself. So you might want to choose always just in case and see if it works. If it works, you can of course keep it like that, or you can switch to tap to show back again. Now, if it still doesn't work, you might want to remove the custom background. Like if you have like a custom AOD downloaded, then you might want to remove that custom image or return to the standard lock screen clock. So over here I have show lock screen clock. I want to go over here, and then I have the option to remove downloaded AOD. I'm gonna remove it, and then you want to give it a try and see if that helps, if now AOD actually works. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.